Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So in this video I will tell you all about the StartMail, how you can set up and how you can transfer that into your mobile phone and about all its features. So let's begin the video. Now here I have opened the website. You can see on your screen, simply click on login. Here I have logged in with my Google account. Here you can see that how the mailbox look. Here you have this inbox, draft, send, spam and trash. And here you have more options, like if you go to setting, here you have this migration option where you can migrate your email from your other account. Like if you are using Gmail, Yahoo previously, you can import your email from that accounts. And here we are on the migration. Simply click on start migration. Here we have 4 steps. First is generating access code, then migration portal, then checking status, and last is migration result. So here you can see that I have generated the code. I will just gonna copy that. They will not gonna provide us this code again, so you have to save that in your notepad or somewhere else. So just go and copy and save this code. Then click on go to migration portal and now on start. And here you can import your data from Google, Yahoo and Outlook. The process is same, so I will just show for Gmail. You can follow this for all these email accounts. So just click on Gmail. Now write your StartMail email address and the code that we have copied previously. And here you can select what you want to migrate. Here you have email, contacts. I will just go with both. You can select one if you want to. And you can see here that our migration is in progress. All this data will be under our ID name, so you will check that. Here this StartMail also has one more feature called aliases, where you have this burner aliases and custom aliases. So in the burner aliases, this email address will be deleted in 1 hour, but in the custom you can customize that for 1 hour, 2 hour, 1 month, etc. Let's first talk about how these burner aliases work. Here just you have to go and click on generate, and that's it. They have generated the email address for us and it will be burned out in 1 hour. Now let's talk about how you can make one custom aliases. For that you have to go to aliases again, and here you can see this custom aliases option. Simply click on that. Now here click on create custom aliases. Here you have to provide your aliases, your display name and note if any optional. You can do that. Now here you can select the duration, like if you want it to expire in 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, you can do that here. Now if we talk about how you can set up your StartMail in your mobile, so mostly in some mobiles they have pre-installed mail where you can log in your Gmail, StartMail account. So just you have to click on this other StartMail and you have to link your mail here. Here you have to write your StartMail email address and the password. The password you can see on your StartMail account. You can see your password here. Just you have to provide that here. After that you will be logging here, and here you can see your StartMail emails. This is also one more way. You have to go to your browser and you have to search for StartMail there, and here you can see this login option. Simply go there, and here you have to provide your email address and the password, and after that you can log in here. And here some people also have this option called add to your home screen, where you can add that app to your home screen, because StartMail usually don't have the apps in the App Store and Play Store, so you can add that in this way. And if you can't see this option, then there's also one more way. You can see this 3 dots. Simply click on that, and now here you can see this install app, where you can install your app. And that was how you can add your StartMail to your mobiles. Now let's talk about StartMail's features. Here you can see this inbox, draft, send, spam and trash. And similarly here you can see your aliases, where you have this burner aliases and custom aliases, and you can see your account settings, transfer devices, IMAP and all these features. Here you also have one more feature called encryption, where you can turn it on and your email will be encrypted. You can also set a password here. Only the sender and receiver can see the email through this password. That was basically all about how you can set up and you can use your StartMail. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.